Today we are updating you that the lady which was आमच्या ती बायल मेवली जे 2 भुरगीं असली आणि पोटान एक भुरगें असले की ती बायल आमी म्हटलेले थोडे सरकार डिपार्टमेंटान ताका हेल्प करूंक ना आनी ते एक डिपार्टमेंट हा तो कमिशन फॉर CWC कमिशन फॉर वेलफेअर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन चायल्ड वेलफेअर कमिशन ही बायल येयली हांगा ही बायल येयली आनी तिंका मेवले आनी तिणें कितें तरी सांगलें तिणें तिका हेल्प करूंक ना आनी तेन्ना म्हाका राग येयलो तेन्ना हांवें तिंका फोन केले डिपार्टमेंटाक फोन करून सांगला मॅडम ही बायल तुमगेर येयले तुमी ताका कित्याक हेल्प करूंक ना ते आमकां एक एक्सप्लेनेशन दिले वीच वॉज नॉट कॉमन सेन्स सो आमी सांगले बायलेक ते कमिशन जे स्टाफ आहा ते कोण CWCन आमी हेका आमच्या घरान वतले आनी तुका तर कितें करूंक जाय ते म्हापसा पुलीस स्टेशनान आहा From the time this lady visited them, from the time I called, was more than 48 hours. After 48 hours, I picked her up as a shelter home for abandoned women. Any shelter home can keep children with the mother up to 12 years of age. We have kept her in a shelter home, but not where the other ladies are. We have given a separate room, separate bathroom, and we have kept an extra caregiver with her. Whichever department feels or understands that this was wrong should first ask this department why on म्हणजे मनीसपणान एक मनीसपण आसता तुमी ताका कित्याक हेल्प करूंक ना तूं सांगता ह्या ऑफिसांतले ते ऑफिसान पळय हो एक सेक्शन हो डिपार्टमेंट न्हू हो इंटर डिस्ट्रिक्ट न्हू इंटर स्टेट न्हू हे मल्टिपल कॉम्प्लिकेशन न्हू यू कॅन पिक अ फोन and say, okay, I'm so and so from this section, I'm calling that section. We have a situation, can you help? If there was no transport, you could have called us. आम्ही खूप जाणांक ट्रान्सपोर्ट दिता हॉस्पिटल पुलीस रस्त्यार आम्ही ट्रान्सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड करता बट यू डिड नॉट इन्फॉर्म अस वी इन्फॉर्म्ड यू that we are taking this person and you are saying how you can take this person. So what I should do? On humanitarian ground, we appreciate Sandesh for looking into the matter and for providing humanitarian assistance and then getting in touch with us. So I want to tell all government officials in all departments across our Goa administration, you need to get the Sarkar to the road, not the people to you. Sarkar तुमचे दारार. Means what? हांगा भिवपाची गरज आसा. आमी बोगर हेच हायलाइट करतले how the departments are not supporting the poor and this is a pregnant woman with 2 children. ती गोंयकार. So to all people following this matter, the issue is now how did the shelter home take the woman, pregnant woman with the child? Our clarification is we took it with a police order. The people came here, they met, that family came here, they asked them for help and this office did not help them. They told them go to another office, which was absolutely not humanitarian basis. That is when I stepped in within 48 hours notice and I took. And I am ready to get any order, issue, summon. I have nothing to hide. This family and children will be brought back here to the police station or to this office. It is a temporary shelter. But government officials, especially on this department, they are doing a good job. I don't have any issue with them. We had an issue 4 years back. I will remind this department. 4 years back, there were 2 girls begging outside GMC during COVID. Same committee, if I'm not mistaken, or maybe different committee, but the committee is aware. There were 2 girls, their mother, father died in the hospital. Everybody saw them, nobody touched them. After 15 days, they were under a subway in Bicholi with their grandfather. People saw them, nobody. There was one inspector, Sanjay Dalvi, human means मनीसपण असले तेका ताणें आमकां कॉल केले आमी तांकां रातचे उखल्ले आनी तेजे कोवीड असले लॉकडावन असले आनी बरोच पावस असले आमी तांकां घेवन शेल्टर होमान घातले आमच्या शेल्टर होमान दुसरे शेल्टर होम वेर देर आर ओन्ली चिल्ड्रन आनी आमी रिस्क घेतले हेंच्यांनी नेक्स्ट डे आमकां समन्स धाडले पूण तेजो ग्रँडफादर आसलो आतां आमी ताका कितें सांगले तुमी जेन्ना तांकां पळयतात तुमी कित्याक ताका व्हरोंक ना फक्त जेन्ना आमी हायलायट करता पळय आमी ईच एंड एवरी रेजिडेंटाक सोशल मिडियाचेर घालता आनी तेजे दिसा हांवें म्हटलें बाबा थोडे डिपार्टमेंट didn't help them. This is one department. For 5 months we kept those children because of COVID and then they placed them in a shelter home. And today those 2 girls are about 14 years old, brown belt, they play all the instruments, they speak fluent English, and that shelter, that care home or CC, whatever home is looking after them there. पण आमकां तुम्ही धमकी दिना काय, तुम्ही CWC, तुम्ही हे ते आमकां धमकी लागना आणि आमकां रूल अँड रेग्युलेशन लागना. आमचो रूल पयलो ह्युमॅनिटी, फुडले लॉ मागीर पळोवया. आमी काय डुप्लिकेट मनीस न्हू, काय आमी काय अशे बेश्टे 8 वर्सां जाल्यार हांगा काम करता. So this department should understand why I got angry with them and what I told them yesterday. They will send me summons, I will reply to the summons. म्हाका इश्यू काय ना, आमकां खूब जाण summons धाडटा. End of the day you have failed. This department has failed horribly when that pregnant mother, ते म्हाका राग येयलो आनी हांवें तुमकां सांगलां वयल्यान, बाबा ती बायल गुरुवार आहा, म्हापसा पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर आहा, 2 भुरगीं आनी आमी वता. So this thing, administration, please come to the ground, bring the सरकार to people's door. Don't make people get frightened. आमकां भिवपाची गरज ना, पूण सद्दां भिवपाची गरज आहा.